Good morning, children. Today we will start the new chapter, chapter 2. The chapter name is More on MS Word 2010. You have already learned about the basis of MS Word. What is the use of MS Word? MS Word is used to type letters, applications, and other documents. And in MS Word, you have formatting and editing tools. Okay, these formatting and editing tools are used to design each page of a document. Here we shall know more about MS Word 2010. Now, let us understand the important elements of MS Word 2010. In this chapter, explain the important elements of MS Word 2010. In this video, we discussing how to copy formatting to another selection and how to applying superscript and subscript effect. First one, copy formatting to another selection. For doing this, we have to use Format Painter tool. Okay, copy formatting to another selection, we use Format Painter tool. This Format Painter tool on the Home tab is used for what? To quickly apply the same formatting such as color, font style and size and border style to multiple pieces of text. What is the use of Format Painter? Lets you copy all of the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Think of it as copying and pasting for formatting. This is your Format Painter in your MS Word. Let us see how to use Format Painter. First step is what? Select the text or graphics that has the formatting that you want to copy. Select the text that has the formatting that you want to copy. Next step is what? Click on the Home tab. Under the Home tab, you select Format Painter. Under the Home tab, you select what? Format Painter tool. At that time, your mouse pointer changes to paintbrush icon. Okay, your mouse pointer changes to a paintbrush icon. Using this paintbrush to paint over a selection of text or graphics to apply the formatting. Okay, use this brush to paint over a selection of text to apply the formatting. To stop formatting, what is? You press the escape key on your keyboard. See this example. Here, this window, we have two sentences. We want to apply the same format in second sentence we have used in first sentence. For doing this, first step is what? You select the text. First step is what? You select the text. Then you click the Home tab. Click on the Home tab. Under the Home tab, you select the Format Painter. Under the Home tab, you select the Format Painter tool. At that time, your Format Painter, your mouse pointer changes to a what? Paintbrush icon. Okay. Then use this brush icon to paint over a selection of text or to apply the formatting. Okay, to apply the formatting, use the brush to paint over a selection of text to apply the formatting. Next thing, here is another one example how to use format painter tool and apply the same formatting to a different piece of text. Here you select the text, then click the format painter, then after that select the another one text you want to copy formatting. That time here the blue color text will change to black color. Okay. What is the use of Format Painter? Format Painter lets you copy all of the formatting from one object and apply it to another one. Okay. Next, we discussing how to applying superscript and subscript effect. Okay, how to applying superscript and subscript effect. What do you mean by superscript and subscript? Superscript and subscript refers to numbers that are positioned slightly higher or slightly lower than the text on the line. Here, this is your subscript option and this is your superscript option. To make text a superscript, what do you mean by superscript? Create a small letters above the line of the text. Create a small letters above the line of text. Here is example x square. How to do this? First you select the text and then click the home tab. Under the home tab you have font group. From that you choose what? Superscript option. Okay, the below the picture shows how to do the superscript. How to do? First you select the text, then you click the under the home tab you have font group. From that you choose superscript option. Next one, subscript. What do you mean by subscript? Creates small letters below the text baseline. See the example Y. Baseline you have number 3. Okay. What do you mean by subscript? Create small letters below the text baseline. How to do this? First you select the text, then click the home tab. Under the home tab you have font group. From that you choose the subscript option. Okay, you choose the subscript option. Here is another one example for doing subscript and superscript. See here. H2O and K3 the superscript. Here 4 we use the subscript option. Okay. Listen. First you select the H2O2 and want to superscript, and here 3 is the superscript and 4 is the subscript letters. I think all are understood these things. Okay, in this video you have to learn format painter, superscript and subscript effect. Thank you.